Hello everyone, today I am going to introduce an app to you that will make our life more secure and convenient. In our daily life, a significant part is making payments, be it a payment for an auto, taxi or a business transaction. Now the usage of debit or credit card is not possible anytime anywhere. This is the reason we have to carry cash all the time, which is inconvenient sometimes but risky as well. But what if I tell you there's a way by which you can avoid all the distress? What would you say? And that way is Jabe, a secure and simple solution. It's a whole new approach offered by Visa mobile payments in integration with the Unified Payments Interface system. With the help of this Jabe app, by using your mobile number, all your payments can be routed straight away to a bank account with send and receive facilities. So now you will not have to carry cash everywhere you go to make payments. Just imagine how simple this would make your life. Come, let's meet Ramprasad and learn how Jabe has made his life easy. When he travels by an auto to go somewhere, instead of paying cash to the auto driver Rashid, he uses Jabe app to make the payment. Once the trip completes, Ramprasad enters the amount of the auto fare in the app and initiates a payment to Rashid's virtual address. Within few seconds, Ramprasad receives a debit and Rashid receives a credit notification. This amount gets transferred easily and securely from Ramprasad account to Rashid's account. Isn't that wonderful? Let's learn more about this app. Not only through a virtual address, payments can also be sent and received using Aadhaar card or mobile number. For example, if you have to make payment to a business, you can ask the business person to send a collect request to your virtual address or Aadhaar card number or your registered mobile number. Once you receive the collect request on your mobile from the business person, you just have to authorize the request. Is that simple? For instance, Ramprasad goes to a fertilizer dealer to buy fertilizers for his farm. He gives his Aadhaar card number to the fertilizer dealer. The fertilizer dealer sends a collect request to Ramprasad using this app. Ramprasad receives a notification on his phone to authorize the transaction, and once he authorizes it, the payment gets transferred immediately. You might be wondering whether this app is so simple that even vegetable vendor or a villager can use it? And the answer is absolutely yes. Usage of this app is made so easy, as you can read the instructions on this app Hindi or any other regional languages. Hence, a vegetable vendor like Gangubai can also use this app very conveniently. Ramprasad buys vegetables regularly from Gangubai. But instead of paying for the vegetables through cash as usual, Ramprasad just had to select the pay option in the Jabe app. Ramprasad can select whichever account that he wants to make a payment from. Using its inbuilt QR scanner, he needs to scan the QR code attached there. After entering the MPIN, Ramprasad receives a debit notification and Gangubai's account is credited. There you go. Vegetable shopping is done. That's not all. Jabe has also an option of voice command in English, Hindi and in many other regional languages, which means when your hands are busy, you can also use magic of your voice. Now let's see how Ramprasad and his wife take advantage of voice command option. They need to transfer an amount to their son's account to pay his college fee. Through the voice command, their son's number is selected, which obviously is stored in the contacts list. On this contact number, they initiate the payment. Through the voice command, they enter the fee amount and rest of the details. Once the MPIN of the account is entered, the fee amount gets debited from their account and gets credited in their son's account, just through Jabe app and its voice command. Designed for quick and easy transactions, its user interface is so simple, such that in a few taps your task is completed. Jabe, a new thought and new approach that can transform your day-to-day transactions into a secure and convenient way.